Alright guys, here's a quick sneak peek. What do you think it is? Good morning, good evening, welcome back to Enchanted Rides and Drives. And welcome back to my SEMA Show 2025 coverage. And I'm at the AkzoNobel booth in the South Hall here for their unveiling. This is a build by Miller & Sons Collision out of Lancaster, New York. And just before we get into this build here, just before they unveil it here, guys, come on now. Smack that subscribe if you're not already. Hit the like button for me, helps out the channel. Hit that notification so you can stay up on all my new videos. And let's get into this unveiling. Here we go, guys. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Put it in the comments. Throw it out there. I'm going to tell you what it is, but I'm going to make you wait until the end of the video here. It's a beautiful red-orange color change paint by Sikkens. An absolutely gorgeous color, guys. Love the big rims, wide body kit on this thing. This is a beautiful car. So, shout out to you guys out there at Miller & Son Collisions out of Lancaster, New York, man. This is an awesome build. The name of this build is Ballistic. If you'd like to go and Google it or check it out, Miller & Son Collision out of Lancaster, New York, once again, Ballistic. This is a 2008 Infiniti G37 and is now a one-off custom and an absolute beauty at that. So I hope you like this one, guys. It's that time. I'll see you in the streets.